If you want to know what a man's like, take a good look at how he treats his inferiors, not his equals. It is our choices, Harry, that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. It does not do to dwell on dreams and forget to live. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. It takes a great deal of bravery to stand up to our enemies, but just as much to stand up to our friends. Of course it is happening inside your head, Harry, but why on earth should that mean that it is not real? It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default. To the well-organized mind, death is but the next great adventure. It matters not what someone is born, but what they grow to be. Dumbledore watched her fly away, and as her silvery glow faded he turned back to Snape, and his eyes were full of tears. "After all this time?" "Always," said Snape. Indifference and neglect often do much more damage than outright dislike. We are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided.
Please subscribe our channel to hear quotes of famous people. Please like, comment and share before leaving.